Why can't you say that you are not? You do not have broken legs, but sit down. Bro, this is a scam. This is a freaking scam. Okay, let's start. That was. Serious stuff. There's a murderer going on with a chainsaw. He's chainsawing people. So make sure to lock the door and try to kill this guy. He's very bad. So don't try to fight back. Sure. Well, you want Tarzan. Ouch! 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 Come here, police. Oh gosh. Police. Guys, I think I want to get out of here. I think we're gonna have to, use the FBI. Yeah. Put your hands up. No, say anything. That is gonna be you. Come here. Bruh, you ain't beating this. Come here. Come here. I'm immune to that. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. That got ran over by his own car. Yeah. I can't die. I love my life too much. I love my life too much. I love my life. Never you dead for sure. Oh, I didn't even change something. Okay. That's one way to die. You two, come here. Oof. Come here. Stop, the car won't move. Of course the car won't move because the wheels aren't on the ground. So that you can help us out. Yes, what's wrong? Yes, I could help you out. Now let me sit down. I'm pretty sure that's standing up again. Gosh, look at all the bodies we have. Oh, what is that? Yep, it's my twin. I'm doing that. Oh, that's very cool of you to have a twin. Okay, so now, why is there a freaking tent right in front of the police station?